The brand sent me these plates to try and I am so impressed. The design is so pretty and so unique and different from each other. This is the back of the plate. It has a pretty wide lip and it's just beautiful. I like the combination of colors. So this is one of the plates. Very pretty color combination. This is the second one and I cannot decide which one is my favorite. They're all are so pretty. This one I like those tiny designs, and from what I can see is that these tiny flowers repeat in this plate and in this plate, and those three just go great together as well. This plate starts having a bigger flowers as a design, which is also very pretty. And this is how the flowers are. They're a little bit larger and I like those bands here. So this is the next one. Also bigger designs than the first three. And the last one here in this bright yellow color combination. I'm totally impressed.